Hello aspirants, welcome to Ekam IAS Academy. Today we are going to discuss about an important environment concept that has recently come across is steel carbon. So what is steel carbon and why this particular concept is important? Because in the entire environmental science, such concept of measuring organic matter in terms of steel carbon color coded index is first time happened in the India, and it was conducted in one national park of India. So what is that national park where this particular study happened, and what is steel carbon, how we do measure the carbon in terms of steel, right? What is it signifying, and all other important things which one need to know from examination point of view. We'll all be discussing all these things in a short and informative video, right? So first, here there is an important announcement regarding TGPSC Group 1 Prelims cum Mains Foundation batch for the upcoming notification, which is stated to be released in the month of October, right? So as you are all aware, so TGPSC has released job calendar accordingly in the month of October, that is the next month itself. We are expecting again another notification from Telangana Group 1 notification, right? So according to that notification, prelims will be held in the month of February 2025. So you're hardly having 9 months of time. So if you want to reserve your seat in the upcoming notification, then this is the right time to start your preparation. And this prelims cum mains foundation batch will help you in that particular way. This is also starting from 23rd September, and this course duration will be for 7 months. 2 years validity will be there. This mode will be available in online as well as offline in bilingual mode. So entire material including current affairs will be given for both online as well as offline students. And this particular course has a major unique feature, which is one-to-one mentorship. So your performance will be assessed based on daily tests, weekly tests and revision tests, where you will be provided with one-to-one mentorship as well, right? So who are dealing with which particular subject is clearly mentioned on the screen. For any more details, you can contact us on this particular number, right? So it's visible here, right? You can contact on this number. Then, so what is the point of discussion? India has conducted a major first time study with respect to steel carbon. So what is this carbon and what is this study signifying? We'll be understanding in a while. But where was this conducted? In Kiladev National Park in Rajasthan. So what is the steel carbon? Let us understand now. So first you need to know what is the color of steel. So this is a color, right? So this is a color coded index, right? Like you know, black carbon, blue carbon, brown carbon. Like this we have different colors of carbon. Same way we also have the steel carbon, which is this particular color, right? Then what is steel? Steel carbon means which is mainly from wetlands. So whatever the carbon that is sequestered, right? So you know carbon sequestration means where we'll be capturing and storing the carbon from atmosphere, and we'll be storing in the soil or the oceans or any underground. So what are the carbon sequestration that happens, or the storage that happens in the form of wetlands, is what we call as steel carbon. So this concept is very new in environmental science. So it has recently emerged. This is a very new concept. Okay. So it is a color coded form of carbon. And you need to know whatever the carbon that is captured and stored in the form of wetlands, that is having large carbon capture compared to any other terrestrial ecosystem. Than any other terrestrial ecosystems. That means compared to forests or oceans or soil or anything, whatever the carbon that is stored in the form of wetlands is the largest. That is what this particular study has found. Then how much is the carbon that is going to get captured according to this study is almost 21 petagrams of carbon. So this is a unit, okay? So measure to detail how much of the carbon is getting stored in the form of wetlands. So it is almost 21 petagrams of carbon, which is the largest storage of carbon than any of the terrestrial ecosystems like land or any other thing, grassland or anything, right? So what is this steel carbon? Steel carbon is nothing but the carbon which is stored in the form of swamps or marshes or peatlands. So any carbon that is stored in the form of these, we call it as steel carbon, right? So the color of carbon here you have to remember is this particular color. Then where is this conducted? Before we understand, we'll also know about what is wetland, right? You know what is wetland? Wetland is a temporary or permanent, right? Freshwater, marine or brackish you can say, and partly or completely inundated, terrestrial or aquatic, right? So ecosystem where the lowest tidal point is not exceeding 6 meters depth, right? So approximately 6 meters depth, if you see, that we can consider it as a wetland. Then World Wetland Day, when we generally celebrate 2nd February, right? Why this particular day? Because on this day we have signed the Ramsar Convention. This is a city of Iran, where this particular convention was signed in 1971 for conservation of wetlands, right? So then what are the efforts along with Ramsar Convention to conserve and wise use the wetlands? We also have Montreux Record, and then we also have National Wetland Conservation Plan. So this was actually adopted in India 2017, right? So, and you know, India currently had 85 Ramsar sites, right? So in the recent times we got 3 sites added. Previously we used to have 82, but now 3 more got added. So what are these 3 recent entries into the India's Ramsar sites list? So try to put your answer in the comment section. Then what is the importance of wetland? That means what are the advantages? Wetlands actually provide a habitat for most of the aquatic or marine organisms. At the same time, they sequester carbon, right? So they sequester carbon and store within itself. At the same time, they filter sediments. They help in groundwater recharge. They help in mitigation of floods. Right? So like this we have many other uses including tourism. Many other reasons are also there why wetlands and their conservation is very much important in the environment point of view. Then let us understand the Keladev National Park, where this first time study with respect to teal carbon was conducted. So you need to know what is the location. It is in the state of Rajasthan. Earlier we used to call this as Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. Now it was renamed as Keladev National Park. That means this is also called as Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary, right? So this is in the state of Rajasthan. And what is most important is it is a very good home of waterfowl habitat. That means migratory birds, okay, especially winter times they will come and stay, because this is the location of Central Asian flyway. That means the birds from Central Asia will be coming here during winters, because you know in the Central Asian region there will be extreme situations in the winter. So to bypass that extreme temperatures, they come and stay for some time, where they will be breeding at this point of time. And most importantly, one bird called Siberian crane, right? So that mostly visits this particular national park. Then what are the main fauna associated with this particular thing? We have nilgai, sambar deer, right? So we have hyenas, like this, jackal. So we have different animals who are prominently seen, which are prominently seen here. Then, and most importantly, you have to keep in mind, this is a Ramsar site, right? So this is also part of Montreux Record. 2 sites are part of this, right? So one is Keladev National Park. At the same time, another one is we have a lake in Manipur. So what is that lake? Along with this, try to put your answer in the comment section. At the same time, it is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site from natural category. So you know we have 42, out of which we have 7 are natural, 1 is mixed. That means 34 are cultural sites, right? So this is one of them. So then try to write what is the another wetland which is in the Montreux Record along with Keladev National Park from India. This is the question asked as part of your discussion. along with 3 Ramsar sites that got recent entry. And then practice question, which of the following wetlands in India is the largest Ramsar site by area? Among these, which you consider to be the largest in terms of area, try to put your answer in the comment section. Then, as we have reached the end of the video, today we have discussed about a new environment concept called tail carbon, and first assessment of this tail carbon happened in Kiladev National Park in the state of Rajasthan. So we have discussed what is tail carbon, why it is so important, and how it is going to regulate the temperatures worldwide. And we also have discussed about what is the importance of wetland, global efforts and Indian efforts in conserving the wetland. At the same time, we also have discussed about the national park that we discussed, that is Kiladev National Park, including the features associated with it. So this is all with respect to today's video. I hope you found the video useful as part of your preparation. If you found so, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for joining us. Have a great day.